Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. So given the situation for the function fx and also the function of gx, find the possible value for a if the situation where we have f rho g which is equals to g rho f. So kindly focus on the left hand side, we have the f rho g. So meaning that substitute the g into the fx. So here we will have bracket x minus a plus with the 1 bracket square. So that is the situation for the left hand side. Kindly refers to the right hand side where we have g rho f. So meaning that what we have to do is to substitute the f into the g. So here we will have x plus with the 1 squared minus with the a. So focus on the left where we have to expand. So bracket x minus a plus with the 1 multiply with bracket x minus a plus with the 1. So kindly expand. So x minus a bracket square plus with 2 bracket x minus a plus with the 1. So that is what we have on the left. So keep on, expand and then simplify the situation. X squared minus 2ax plus with the a squared plus with the 2x minus 2a plus with the 1. So kindly rewrite the situation. So we have x squared minus, or we can say plus, bracket, negative 2a plus with the 2 and then x. Continue, plus with the a squared minus 2a plus with the 1. So that is what we have on the left. Next, focus on the right. So we will have x squared plus with the 2x plus with the 1 minus a. So rewrite the situation. So notice that we can simplify this part. Then with the 1. So in here, we notice that we have negative 2a plus with the 2 bracket x plus with a squared. And then in here, if you notice that we have the negative a, which is equals to 2x. So kindly compare the situation, or we can say the coefficient of x. So we notice that we have negative 2a plus with the 2 equals to 2. So kindly simplify the situation, negative 2a which is equals to 0. So a will be equals to 0. So that is the situation for this part. So move on with the second part. So given we have the quadratic function x squared minus 4x plus 7 with the domain 1 until 4. State the range of f and determine whether the situation is one-to-one function or not. So my suggestion is by using the algebraic method so that we can visual the situation clearly. So number 1 refers to the situation. Here we have the value of a, or we can say the coefficient of x squared which is equals to 1. So from here, step number 1, we have noticed that a is greater than 0. So the shape of the graph will be the U shape. Second step is to find the X intercept. So when y is equals to 0. So before I factorize the situation, my suggestion is to make use of the discriminant to check whether the situation or the root. So here we have the b squared, which is the 16 minus 4a, which is equal to 1, and the c, which is equals to 7. So we notice that we have negative 12, which is less than 0. Since the b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, so we can say no real root for this case. Continue. Find the y-intercept when x is equals to 0. And if we substitute 0, and we notice that f0, which is equals to 7. So the point will be 0, 7. Continue. Step number 3. We have the function fx is equals to x squared minus 4x plus with the 7. I would like to express the situation in a standard form. So what we have to do is to completing the square. X squared minus 4x plus we have the bracket negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2 squared minus negative 2 squared plus with the 7. So we will have x minus 2 bracket square. So in here we have negative 4. So plus with the 7, so we will have plus with the 3. So we have the minimum point, which is 2, 3. So that is the situation for this case. Next, kindly refers to the graph. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the y-axis, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have y-axis, we have x-axis. So kindly refers to the situation. So here we have the minimum point, which is the 2, 3. Next, we have the domain start from 1. So if we substitute the 1 into the fx, so meaning that f1, and we will obtain the value 4. So in here we can say we have the point 1, 4. Continue. For the situation, if f4, if we substitute 4, and we will have 7. So here we have 4, so the answer is 7. So here will be the location. So meaning that here we have 3, here we have 7. So here we have 1 and 4. So the graph will be something like this. So based on the question asks us to state the range. So based on the diagram, the range is start from 3 until 7. So the range for the f would be start from 3 until 7. Next, determine whether the f is one-to-one function or not. So by using the horizontal line test, if I draw a straight line and I notice that cut more than 1 point, so I can say fx is not one-to-one function. Reason: cut more than 1 point. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.